Your lunchtime sports football is where we begin. Reggae Boyz head coach Grimson says the team will be focused on not overcommitting themselves when they take on world number 3 ranked Argentina in a friendly international this evening in New Jersey in the USA. While playing Argentina will be new for most of the players, Coach Grimson has faced the South American giants before when he guided Iceland to a 1-1 draw against them at the 2018 World Cup.
Looking at the players, seeing the options, rotating them a little bit. So I have an idea, yes, how we should play. The balance between attack and defense is also what we think is necessary against a team like Argentina to not overcommit in attack and also not to overcommit in defense. And then we will be defending the whole time.
But even though they'll be approaching the game with caution, Coach Grimson is calling on the players to play with pride.
And then the Jamaicans like to see a flair, the creativity and things like this. So we have to make a platform for the players to be able to do that. So we have to be organized and give maybe some players more freedom to express themselves. So that is what I like to see is players really put effort tomorrow, however the scoreline will be. Just to play with pride, to play with power, to play, and give everything. I think then the people will appreciate, no matter what the result.
The starting lineup will not be made known.
Of course, the match will be broadcast live on TVJ Sports Network starting at 7 p.m. with a delayed broadcast on TVJ starting at 9. The teams have met on 3 previous occasions, with Argentina winning all 3, including a 5-0 victory at the 1998 World Cup in France. Jamaica Tallows captain Powell says despite slipping down the point standings in the final few preliminary matches in the Caribbean Premier League, they will get it right against the St. Lucia Kings in this evening's eliminator. The Tallows won only 1 of their last 5 matches and are in their 3rd eliminator, having lost in their previous 2 attempts in previous seasons.
It's been an up and down season for us as a franchise, but having said that, I think the guys have played some really good cricket in patches. The guys are up for the challenge and are looking forward to what the finals weekends bring. I think the guys are ready, so it's basically the business end of the competition, and it's time for us to possibly bring our A game.
The contest bowls off at 6 p.m. and, of course, is preceded by the qualifier now underway between table toppers Barbados Royals and the Guyana Amazon Warriors. We'll update you on that match a bit later this evening. The winner, of course, of the Royals and Warriors contest will go straight to Friday's final, while the loser will face the winner of the Tallowas clash. Now, although losing the recent ODI series 2-1 to New Zealand's women, West Indies women's captain Hayley Matthews is now the #1 ranked all-rounder in the world. Matthews scored 88 runs in 3 games, the most for the West Indies, and also picked up 5 wickets. She moved 3 places up the all-rounders list, surpassing Elise Perry, Nat Skiva and Marizanne Kapp. 24-year-old Matthews also moved up on the bowlers table, moving up 2 places to 6th. Matthews and the West Indies women will now turn their attention to the 5-match T20 series against the Kiwis starting on Wednesday at the Sir Vivian Richards Stadium in Antigua. And that is Thumbs for now, and I am Jermaine Brown.